welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well. My name is Manjula. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to cook the Sri Lankan style lentil curry. We call it paripu or dal curry. This dal curry is one of the staple dishes in Sri Lanka and a very quick dish to make. This goes well with roti, rice or bread. Without further ado, let's get on with the ingredients. For this recipe, I have 2 cups of washed dal, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of thick coconut milk, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, 3 whole green chili sliced, curry leaves, hunter leaves or rumper, 1 whole medium onion chopped, half a cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 2 whole dry chilies break into pieces. I use coconut oil, but you can use any oil you prefer. Let's get on with the cooking. Here I'm using a heavy base saucepan to cook this curry. I'm gonna add all the lentils into this saucepan. I'm gonna add all the water. The garlic. The green chili, I'm only adding half of the onions because I need half for the tempering. So I'm adding more half. Same as the punta leaves, just half again for the tempering. Curry leaves, same, just half. Turmeric and the cinnamon stick. I'm gonna make this thoroughly with my hands. You can use a spoon if you don't like to mix it with hands. I prefer mixing with hands. Alright guys, now I'm gonna take this to the stove. Let's start cooking. I'm gonna cook this dal curry in medium heat. Yeah. Make sure you just close it with the lid on. I'm going to cook this for, I would say, 10 to 15 minutes until it just cooks, not mashed. Stir every 5 minutes to see how the dal is cooking. Let's see how the dal is stirring. As you guys can see, the color is slightly changing to yellow. So we'll cook another, I would say, until all these yellow color lentils change to, the red color lentils change to yellow. As you guys can see now, the red lentils has changed to yellow color. I think I cooked about 15 minutes so far. After about 15 to 20 minutes, when the color of the lentils change from red to yellow, add salt. I'm adding about, I would say, less than a half a tablespoon. You can always adjust the taste. Mixed. And now I'm adding the thick coconut milk. Mix well. Once I add the coconut milk, I just prefer to cook without the lid on. Dal curry is nicely cooked. I'm going to turn the heat off. Here I have a small saute pan. Heat on. Medium heat. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Now I'm adding the mustard seeds. Lettuce butter. I'm using the same spoon. When it starts sputtering, I'm going to add the rest of the onion. Curry leaves, the onion leaves, and the chili flakes. Also the whole good chili. I'm frying this for like maybe 30 seconds, 40 seconds. So let this fry for another 10-15 seconds. Make sure the spices don't burn. Alright, I fry this for like 30 to 35 seconds. Heat off. Remove from the heat. Now I'm going to use half of the mixture into the dal curry, and I keep rest of the mixture just for the garnishing. Oh, this smells really, really nice. Okay, now I'm gonna add the rest of the spices. It smells really, really amazing. That's it, guys. Alright guys, here we have our lentil curry. It smells amazing. I'm gonna put this into a serving dish. I'm gonna serve this dish with some tiger bread. Let's see how it tastes like. It's really, really delicious. I taste all the mustard seeds, the chili. It's just amazing. I highly recommend you guys to try this home. Just if you have any questions, please just comment down below. And I'll see you with another great video. Thanks for watching. Bye.